Oh shit, we live. See, I still have not read my notes out, so I'm gonna finish reading my notes real quick. All right, so my note says this time we're locked in. Okay, now what do I know? What's the difference between me and yesterday? Now I'm gonna follow my high and low. Step with the high and low. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Get mad. Avoid trading 15-minute nude before nude can cause manipulation. All other candle close before making any decisions. If both EURUSD and GBPUSD give me the same setup, simultaneously prioritize EURUSD. If EURUSD offers less than 2RR, then go for GBPUSD. So for my 4-hour CRT, I'm gonna use a 15-minute time frame, right? If for the 1 hour sitting, the 5-minute model 1. In the New York session, if the 8 a.m. candle aligns with the 5 a.m. 4-hour CRT, I'll use a 5-minute model 1. If the 8 a.m. candle does not align with the 15-minute model 1, I'll use if the 8 a.m. does not align, use a 15-minute model 1. The purge must occur between 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Anything between after 10:30 a.m. Is not acceptable. So my purge must happen for me to take a trade, and if I get my setup around like 11, it's fine, right? If the 8 a.m. candle is disrespected, switch to a 15-minute model 1. Both liquidity, purge, and key levels of timing. So meaning if the 8 a.m. candle, which is aligned with 5 a.m. candle, is disrespected by the 9 a.m. candle, I'm not gonna be taking that 5-minute. I'm looking for a 15-minute, right? Both key levels and correct purge liquidity timing are necessary. Either is missing, I will not enter the trade. Key level comes from 4-hour or daily chart, and the 4-hour CRT must be purged. Displace SMT. Trade the pair that provides the setup first. Focus on high time frame. Avoid trading the 1-minute chart unless all conditions are met. Do not enter a trade if the open side of the CRT is hit. For example, if I'm bullish, the bearish CRT should not be hit. The low of the CRT should not. If I'm bearish, right? The low of CRT should not be here first, as this would make the setup bullish. I would turn extension and look for a trade afterward, right? I use a high. I'll use a wide stop loss. All the markets are breathe. I'll adjust my stop loss by 0.3 ticks to cover spread. I'm only gonna take one trade position offering 2RR. I'm only gonna take trades that offer 2RR or a higher. Anything below is irrelevant. I'm not taking it, right? Trade. I'm going to reduce risk after 3 losing streak and add risk after 3 winning streak, right? So from 1% to 0.50% to 0.25% after 3 winning streak, add the risk back up to 1% maximum, 0.25% to 0.50% to 1%. Says today we need to catch another 3 winning trades, right, in a row or consecutive, or if there's a one loss, if you get another win, it still matters, right? So today we're risking 0.25%. Why are we risking 0.25%? Because we have had 3 losses, right? Not 3 losses, only 2, but I'm still gonna need 3 for me to go higher, right? In funded and live account, never risk more than 1% per trade. In challenge, risk 2% per trade. Once funded, always always limit risk to 1% maximum per trade. Set the breaking point well. Do not set it too early. Stay patient, confident, feel the emotion, not greedy. Focus on high time, not the outcome. Trust the setup to deliver. Do not spend trading today. Losses are inevitable. Focus on building your habits and mastering scalable profits. Review these guidelines every day when it's not trading day. Make decisions based on your analysis. I win or lose, analyze the set reason. Think positively and avoid form of fear. Avoid form of fear of missing out. Meaning, discipline and self-addition are key. Affirmation. Consistency and discipline in my training comes to me naturally, effortlessly, and abundantly. Inshallah. I'm gonna learn from my mistakes and avoid making it. Today, my main goal is to do the Model 1 correctly. So yeah, I'm back to the daily for 30 minutes. I'm only gonna take 1 trade per session, even if it's a break-even trade. It's taking a count trade for the session. I use a limit order or execution order for Model 1. Once all the conditions are met, meaning the timing, the purge of liquidity, the key level, let's get down to the 15-minute, to the 5-minute CRT, depending on the CRT, 5-minute chart, depending on the CRT time frame. I look for all high or all low gain stabbing to and enter at Model 1 once it's created. The all high or low happens before all the conditions are met. Don't enter. Ensure it's a limited high or low prior to hitting the CRT. If the CRT does not have a high or low at the end, wait for another purge of liquidity. Anything before the purge is irrelevant. So that gotta focus on that today a lot. Inshallah, don't make the mistake. I mean, focus on the setup after losing streak. The first one is crucial. Avoid letting the first loss after a winning streak to lead to more losses. Secure a win after the first loss. Why? Because if you're bleeding, you're gonna have to diagnose it, right? You're gonna have to, stop it from bleeding. So simple reason like that. When accumulating or raging market, hold a trade confident and trust the process. Do not seek validation from other people or care about their opinions. I'm gonna stop trading. I'm not trading long session no more. It's just due to because why am I not trading long session no more? It's like lack of sleep. So when I don't trade, I need my brain to be wired, right? If it's not wired, then I can't act right. I'm like, oh, I don't care. Then just go to sleep, right? I'm gonna go to sleep regardless, right? So now sleep is better. I wake up at 3 a.m. Gonna work at 3 a.m. and finish afterward, right? So now let's go to our weekly trading focus. I'm gonna take 1 trade per session. Every time break even, take a trade for it's still gonna count trade for the session. A break even count as your trade for the session. Taking more than 1 trade per session increases the likelihood of heavier losses. So take to 1 trade per session, right? Use the limit order or execution order specifically for the Model 1 entries. Only take trades that offer a minimum of a 2 RR. Do not enter trade that offer less. TP1 will be 3% of the CRT. TP2 CRT high, CRT low. For the 1 hour CRT, TP1 will be CRT high, CRT low. We do 50% of the 4 hour CRT. Final TP will be CRT high, CRT low of the 4 hour. I'm patient, I'm confident, feel the emotions are greedy. I'm gonna focus on the process trading, not the outcome. Avoid greed at all costs. I'm gonna focus on the process, not the outcome. I'm gonna trust myself that setup will deliver. I'm a daily affirmation. Consistency and discipline. My trading comes to me naturally, effortlessly, and abundantly. Inshallah. I'm not expecting to trade every day. I'm gonna expect losses, and I'm accept losses as part of the process and focus on making habits and practice master scalable profits. I want to make trading decisions based on my solely on my analysis. If I want to lose, analyze the reason to improve. Avoid negative what if scenario. Take action. Make decisions based on positive expectations. Avoid FOMO, fear of missing out. Everyone progresses at their own pace. Do not seek validation from other people or care about their opinions. Focus on your own journey and trading. After 3 losing streak, reduce risks 1% to 0.5% to 0.35%. After 3 winning streak, increase the risk back up to 1%, maximum of 1%, 0.35% to 50% to 1%. Never exceed 1% per trade per rule in live account or funded. consistency by trading constantly, not just affordably and abundantly, right? So consistency following these rules will accolade to your path to profitability. The rules are I often break or likely to becoming successful or frequently. The keys that are constantly break or the key to become a successful trader. So I need to add this up real quick because this is importante. Importante or importante. Okay, we got it. Bismillah. Because I don't want to make the same mistake as yesterday. I made it 2 times. Now it can never be done again. Inshallah. Alright, let's get it. I'm not gonna for my daily boss, I'm not gonna make a video no more. If I need my daily boss, I'm just gonna go to my live stream. Because when I make it is gonna sometimes lead bad to bad stuff, right? So yeah. Let me real quick. I hate this fucking seed, dog. I don't know how people like this fucking. Bro, who bought? I bought this for $120, bro. My fucking payout for my profit was like. I'm not gonna tell you guys, okay? And just so let you guys know, I don't take all my trades at one. I don't take it all at one time. I take it separately, right? See, 50% is gonna be. So I just said past 2 trades. I only took it at 50%, right? So 50% account is still net positive. 50% account is kind of still net positive, but up 2 losses, right? But risk management was on point, so that's a good thing. And yeah, very fucking simple, right? You know, very simple. Today my goal is to follow my rule, not break a single motherfucking rule, okay? Because I'm done. I'm done, man. I'm done, man. I'm fucking done. Bismillah. Okay, let me mark out the CRT Sati low and mark out the PD array. PD array. Key level is gonna be this. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is wrong with you, man? Whoa, it's bugging. You bugging, bro? What's wrong with you? Key level right there. Key level. Got our CRT. CRT. Shit. I'm happy now. See, I'm more energetic. Now I could focus more rather than get the thing done with, right? So, yeah, not longer trading. It's not suitable for me. It's not. It doesn't match my time of trading. So, I'm gonna avoid doing that. Okay, so the 8 a.m. is basically aligned with the 5 a.m. So we're going to 1 a.m. as well. So this is gonna be a 1 of our things. So we're looking for a 5 minute. Since the 1 o'clock, since the 8 a.m. candle is aligned with the 5 a.m. CRT high, we're gonna use the a 5 minute instead of a what? A fucking 15 minutes. So right when there's a high, I'm taking it. I don't care. I'm not gonna have no second guess. So right when there's a high on the on the CRT end of the CRT, I'm looking to take it. If there's no high, I'm not gonna look to take it. But if there's a high, I'm definitely gonna take it. I don't care, man. If my rule says that. Rule says that my thing my fucking mentor said that too. There's a high, take it. If there's no high, don't take it. Simple as that. Because he told me that when I did my thing, there was no high, there was no actual legitimate high. Because if there's a legitimate high, I'm looking to take it. We got both of them at key level. Okay, very nice key level as well right over here. 4-hour CRT high right over there. So for the 4-hour CRT high right over there. 4-hour CRT low right over here. Let me push a little bit more. I let the dog in my house. Okay, so scaring me, bro. So we're looking for a 5-minute each of them. So for both of them, looking for a 5-minute CRT instead of a what? 15 minutes. So we got our key level. We just gotta wait for the purge of the time. Then we gotta wait for what? Purge of the time. That's all I gotta care about. Purge of the time. We already got a key level. Both of them. We just gotta wait for the purge of the time for 5 a.m. right for this. Yeah, they both offering us. It both looks like a good offering of a CRT. So if either offers a whatever we get the first entry, I'm gonna look for that. And we gotta watch out about one thing is. What do we gotta watch out about? So we got the 1 hour CRT high. There's an 8 a.m. candle. 1 hour CRT high. There's 8 a.m. candle. Okay, this 8 a.m. aligns with the 4 a.m. high and low. This one aligns with the high. Okay, so we can use this. So we're both gonna go to the 5-minute. And we gotta watch out for SMT. So whatever we give it that setup first, we're gonna base out of that. And it must be an actual high, bro. If it's not actual high, I'm gonna take it. But if it's actual high, I'm taking it. No resistance, nothing. I don't care. We're here to learn. Alhamdulillah. We got some dogs in that crib. Some dogs in that crib. Gotta watch out if this is the actual legitimate. Gotta watch out. Look at we gotta let the 4-hour candle close so we can see if it's actual high. If we're marking out the actual one. Cause we don't be mismatching that bad boy. You feel me? And even if it closed above it, I don't care. That's a key level right there for us because it's at the low. High, I mean. At the low. What did I say low? What did I say low, fo? Okay. My doggy, my dog name is Boogie, bro. It's like, hey, I like my dog, man. Four-minute candle closure. 4-minute day. 4-minute day. 4-minute day. This is the big candle, so it should give us this. Although it's like, oh, what is it? It's a bullish candle. Where are you gonna sell it, right? You just gotta think about it. We sell above high, we buy below low, right? If you're buying here, we're buying in premium, so why wouldn't I buy, right? You feel me? You gotta think about it sometimes. You gotta use your head, man. You know what I mean? Hey, I'm a sped myself, but today was a good day, man. Today, hey, although I was not feeling like training, I trained. I like it, I like it. Me like it. Me like it. Stay away from CRT. You are setting up this question. So let's make a question, right? To a cycle trader, cycle of a trader, discover a strategy, could decide anything, and test strategy with 100% win rate. Strategy is going to be CRT. I did 100% win rate. Actually, the 100% win rate, not percent win rate. 80 loss in my back strategy. Right? This thing you own percent winner time, right? In live data times I then that I do in the cycle, I did not land it to myself 5 times, right? To myself, hell, be watching my mentorship. I don't mentorship constantly just focus on and keep in one thing when he said CRT, you're setting off. Keep in mind out of 3 accumulation, distribution. To CRT, CRT has the scanners accumulation. It could be also be a mid distribution. First count is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It's power is nothing serious like it's made some stuff, right? Simple thing I did was that I cycle successfully said make this comment. So this is a whole study on successful cycle successful discover strategy. So and by the way, keep in mind strategy is not does not something to the ratio. Let's just say you have side win 30% win still problem. If your total ratio gives you at least a 1 to 3, so it doesn't matter what strategy you use CRT, side anything you use, as long as you have a high. Okay, let's see. So this is the actual 4-hour high. Okay, this is the actual 4-hour high. So now we're gonna go scale down to the 5-minute time frame. So now on the 5-minute time frame, this is the actual high right over here. Bullish, bearish. Okay, so I want to guess that we're looking for the Model 1. This one I don't know. I'm not sure about. Okay, this one I'm meant to be looking for another high. Okay, so this is one is out of this, basically out of this. What is the high of this? 394. High 394 and 394. For this one, I'm meant to be looking for. Okay, I'm just gonna write it down. I'm just gonna write this bad boy down right there for this one. Just a minute. I don't know if I spelled it right. After the CRT is pressed, look for another high to get pressed because that CRT high there isn't actual high. Okay, look for a model one right after CRT high is pressed due to at the end of the CRT there's a limited high. Okay, so we marked out the right one. We marked out the 50% hourly as well. The hourly for this is where right over here. For this is the end of this right over here. They're both same candle. Check out. See, I'm looking highest this expectation they are price need get to it expected get to it okay, Thursday and Friday. Thursday manipulation down in Friday. That is my this. You can see right over here how no there's not there's no SMT in that shit. So there's SMT. Stupid ass. And by the way, you got to keep in mind, anything before the sweep of this CRT high is relevant, right? So if this CRT, if this gets swept out and market goes over here, I mean, there's a high, there's actually a high there, right? But if there's a high gets created over here, and a low gets created, the market sweeps to that high and goes above this. That high of getting sweep does not matter only after this. So for this, I'm looking for another high to get pressed. It's that actual high for this one. I could look for a model 1 right after for GU. Right after it gets swept out. Yeah. Excited. And them are and in terms of volume. The other two meme coins I have a dog with everyone knows already. This is the number one meme coin on Solana. It has taken bump as the number one trading volume meme coin on Solana. It also range Radiant with more than 10 million LP there. Similarly, I have Red, well as this is Facebook and very important. Also, Red is also listed on Binance. Currently, it's only Binance perpetuals. I do expect it to. Head over heels. Takes a top here. Hit their head on the ground. Very dangerous. Nice meeting you. And guess who's been win some cash? $2. One of these celebrities was arrested. Yeah, PewDiePie and Jake Paul. Is incorrect. That's correct. It was Jake Paul. Would you like to go for double or not? $200. What Jake Paul was a criminal? Yes, and unlawful. I'm gonna go for the one that's secretly because I don't know how SMT works when it comes to thing, but whatever gives us first setup, I'm gonna go best out of that. But this boy is pushing down, right? Should be kind of pushing back up because she's on okay. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. I know how to get you here, buddy. Don't play games with me. Get to me. What you hear? What you hear? Not coming. It was not coming. What are you not coming for? It might be SMT with DXY or something. Nah, DXY ain't doing nothing.
But I had the thing up for this.
Oh, your charger's right there. First.
Fuck the guy was right there.
Alright.
When you gonna have kids? Like you? Kids? Yeah. One of them is 14, the other one is 12. So you would have 16 actually. This year, no pro, like no. I don't put. Like,
Oh, you can control both of them? Bruh. No, I don't like this shit. No way, bro. For this one, I'm looking for another purge of high. This one, like, I'm not looking for another purge of high. It's just fucking. If this low gets pressed out, we could look for a long. If this low gets pressed out, we're looking for a long. Oh, it's the same fucking pair. I'm like, bro, how is it doing that, bro? Out here tripping, bro. It's like, how is it moving the same way? The fuck? Bro, I'm a sped, bro. I never knew it was a sped. I was tripping, bro. Neither of them have got set out yet, so we're still looking for that trade. Let Texan go. Look, my text go. Okay, let's see.
this episode. Yes. Hey, you know, also let me have some very more doesn't believe in this. I specifically there to add because much better than some. There was a placement data. أصحاب الشروق
Still waiting for the purge.
6 billion. 6. Yeah. 2 billion. Oh, take 6 billion.
Okay, we're ready. Marcus is pushing now. It's pushing P. I'm not gonna trade my boy E. Okay, we got a spread of liquidity. We're looking for a model one, and for this, there's an S&T. This high, same high. So we got S&T here with our boy. Our boy did S&T. I don't know why that's not pushing. I don't know why that's not pushing P. Yeah, that's no S&T. This is gotta be the same candle. This is that candle is not a high. Okay, so there's no S&T there. So this one that has not purged, no done a S&T. So I'm not looking to take that. So at the end of the CRT high, what do we have? A bullish bearish, is a bearish candle. I'm looking to take this. I don't care. Why? Because last time, what do we had? No high at the end of it. This time we have a high. So I'm looking to execute this. And this one has not the RR on risk ratio. This is ass. Look at the RR ratio on this. 3 ticks above. 1, 2, 3. This is now we're going for a 1-to-1 RR. I'm not taking EUU. I'm taking GU. Let me go put it to GU. GBPUSD. I've lost that much. We might have some sort of emotion at this moment just because of what's been cooking recently, but yeah. Okay, so market is giving us some big positive. This was not, there's no actual SMT, so I'm gonna go best out of this. I'm looking for a model one after the pressure of liquidity because there's a high at the end of the high of the CRT. Now let me go down my notes and see if it's actually correct. So my note says use limit order to execution order for model one. Once all conditions are met, timing of the purge will happen. What time the purge happened? At 9:30. That's the right time. To 10:30. I got the key level right over here. I got the CRT right over there. Okay, all the conditions are met. Then I'm looking scale down to 5 or 15 minutes. So I'm using an hourly. So I'm looking for a 15 minute. If I'm looking for a 5 minute, then I'll look for an old high or low to get tapped. Right? If that old high or low happens before the all the conditions are met, don't enter the trade. Ensure that it's limited high or low prior to hitting the CRT. If the CRT does not have a high or low at the end, wait for another high or low to be pressed. Anything before that's irrelevant. What do we have here? A high and a low. And we got a bullish bearish. That's a high right over there. Looking to trade this. We got a model one right over here. If we go close below, we got a model one for us. This could push the market down by a lot. A G could push the market down. EU, I mean. And this could follow as well, hopefully. But my goal is to follow my rules. My rule says I'm good. I got the high at the end of the CRT. I'm bullish. I'm bearish, so I'm all good, all right? So my high, my sell stop is going to be right above this because I don't like to put it on here. It's too whiskey. So 3 ticks above. So 1, 2, 3 right there. Look at to execute this. We're going for a 2 RR. We are going for a 2.8 RR. We're green. We're risking how much? 6.5. 6.5. GBPUSD 50,000. Okay. Never mind. We're using this. Let me get my money ready. See which way he closed at. GBPUSD 92. 8.4. Okay. Okay, so using this one. This looks green to me. I don't care. This looks green to me. I'm looking to execute this. Once the market touches that thing. 6.5. Okay. Look for a model one after the pressure liquidity because there's a high at the end of the CRT. I'm more bullish. I'm taking this. It might cause some emotions, but I'm gonna expect to do the trade as always. But to build good habits, learn from the lesson, from winning or losing. Risking 192 with a 6.5, 192 with a 6.5. Okay. Still has not hit it yet. I follow my rule. I follow every rule. I'm taking one trade. Even this goes a loss, I'm not taking no more trade than this. 50%. And then I'm gonna take out TP. Gonna be one. TP1 is gonna be here. TP2 is gonna be here. TP3 is gonna be right over here. The CRT high has not been hit yet, so I'm not looking for a trade. The old model one has not been hit yet. If it gets missed out, it gets missed out. But I'm not looking for any trade unless it gets hit. Because I don't do CISD because I just don't like to do CISD. We got the key time. We got the key time purge, 9:30 to 10. So from 9 to 10:30. We got the CRT. We got the key level right over here. We are bullish on this. Bearish, I mean. When I say bullish, that means we're good. I mean we're good to go. We're going for a 2.82 RR. So which is a good amount of RR. If it's less than 2 RR, we're not taking that. It has not hit our high yet. So we're still waiting. It has not hit our CRT yet, so we're still waiting. If it doesn't touch, I'm not taking it. Still has not touched it yet. I'm not looking to execute until it touches it. I'm doing limit order, so just waiting. Just see if they could touch it and dip right back down. If it goes back down, I could use the other one. We're still going for a 2 RR, so we're still all green. I'm expect to build good habits. I'm expect to lose the trade right when I get a trade as a loss. And yeah, try to maximize the scale over profits, have the right risk management. I'm all good. I'm all green. Okay, waiting. Patient. All right, I'm in the trade. This goes on loss and it goes on loss, but we're gonna learn afterward. Stop loss is at 90. Got the right risk management. Everything is correct. TP is at 742. Seven, 4, 2, 97.42. 97.42. TP is set. We're going for a what? 2.2, 2.82 RR. If this goes on loss, it goes on loss. But I followed my plan. They told me to get in. I'm in. Now CP is sell stop is set. Now just to watch the chart, then TP or sell stop, it doesn't really matter. So TP sell stop is both set. So yeah, we're green. TP1 is here, TP2 is here, TP3 is right over here. And yeah. We're actually gonna not touch nothing, just watch the chart. He can definitely involve emotions, but this is what you're here for. If I see this go and take me out, I'm going to look for, and this is the 5-minute time frame. Next time, I might just look for another super liquidity prior to it, right? But it's all based on probabilities. If it goes on loss, it goes on loss. We as well got a model 4 over there, a rejection block to get in from. I'm not trading GU. I'm not trading EU because of the low risk to reward ratio, and it has really didn't never took out the high, so I'm still gonna hold this. So we could hold this off. We cannot hold this off. It is what it is. All based out of probabilities. It goes on a loss, it goes on a loss, it goes on a win, it goes on a win. We're here to take action. We're all action. Says the last 2 trades I've been making mistake. This does involve emotion, but we are here to solve the emotion. We're here to be a problem solver rather than a, guesser. Rather than just be like, oh, I'm gonna go on a loss. It's raw action. We learn from battle of 2 mistakes. We're now at this end of the high of the CRT. At the end of this CRT, we got a high, so we're green. Like, I don't care. We got a high there. Last 2 trades, when the market shifted the CRT high and low, there wasn't any actual high at the end of the CRT highs or lows, right? So yeah, gotta follow the rule. Now this is a high there, so I'm taking it. As I said, it's all based out of probabilities. Sometimes it's gonna work, sometimes it's not. As long as we got our risk management, following our rules, we are green. We do have news in 15 minutes, but it's not a huge news, so that we don't gotta worry about. But it is swell news. So we enter 15 for news, so we're green. And what is the news, by the way? Let's see the news. The news is GBP. Is revised consumer sentiment is it's a yellow news, so it isn't that big of a news, but it's still a news regardless. So today we should definitely have some rejection to the market, so I can get it pumped up to the upside or downside. Doesn't really matter, but we are following our rules. That's all we care about. At the TP1, which is the green area right over here, I'm gonna break even and do some partials, which is the partial gonna be 40%, 30%, 30%. Oh shit, I don't know what's 40. Hey Siri, what's 40% of 1.92?
That would be 0.768.
So that means what's 60% of 1.92? What's 60% of 1.92?
60% times 1.92 is
Oh yeah, we're doing the right one. It's just what could go to the loss, but yeah. But yeah, we gotta focus on the process rather than the outcome. Focus on the product trading out of the outcome, because this is where playing my head. My psychologist right now is focusing on the outcome, which is not good. We're gonna be focused on the process. Know that the setup will deliver. Talking about this might go into a fair value gap and push back down. Said model. Touch that fair value gap. So no. This one. Yeah, but it's cool. Come here. I mean, what did I say gold for? This goes on a loss, it goes on a loss, but we're here to take action rather than anything. We're here to take raw action. We're focused on the process rather than outcome. We can't be a predictor, we gotta be a reactor. What are you doing, man? News is deciding, the news is coming, so news could decide our bullish move or bearish move. It all depends on the news, so I don't really know. News takes us out, it takes us out, but we follow our plan. As long as we follow our plan, that's all we care about. The 15-minute time frame, they might create a wrong fucking chart again. He might create his 15-minute model 1. So let's see if we can create that for us and make that go in our favor. Can give us a little bit more confidence in our setup. I still do have some emotions, especially because of the past 2 trades, but our action beats anything. If you could hold that sharp move or upside, if you could hold it, it could be great. If not, then gotta deal with it. See how the news goes. The news can go in our favor or not. It just injects some positivity to the market. Market should relatively be moving a little bit more. Now market is pumping, so probably came out bullish. It's all about probabilities, man. Go in our favor or not. But raw action beats it, and we gotta focus on the process rather than the outcome. My hands are out of the keyboard, out of the trading view, just TP or sell stop. What do you want? Still on a trade. It's just that it's out of probabilities, man. Yep. Still on a trade. Yes, we are. It's high likely gonna go ahead sell stop. So, yikes. Did I break any of my rules today? Have I broke any of my rules today? Nope. So I'm green. So if this goes on a loss, I have not broke a single rule. That's all I care about. Had that I didn't break my new rules that I created right here. I have not broke that rule. CRT, every rule is followed. Now it's all based on a probability. I'm still in a trade. A lot of people got stopped out because they put their stop too tight. I put my stop above it. Couple of ticks to cover spread. So yeah. All I care about is not breaking my rules. As long as I don't break my rules, I am more likely to. I'm more happy to lose. We had an SMT with DXY. See there. Yeah, it's just gonna go in a loss.
This world, people, power to gain is given to someone who sells them. Do you think there will ever be a sunny day? If farmers made a do you think they'd still have land to problems that can be solved? Don't use something with don't shed tears over it. If you can't handle the consequences, then never let your emotions run. Many people come, showing concern and offering support. Happened. Then they'll walk satisfied with this world. So always keep it as long as others they can't. Pressure becomes so over you feel like saying, telling you, I pity you. Stay calm. Focus on what needs to be done. Don't let worry and stress destroy.
For the focus on the process, not the outcome. We might have a SMT here, so let's see. No, it does not look like SMT here, but we accept the risk, man. We accept the risk. Yeah, there's no SMT. I don't know. Just consolidating. Chill, bro. But I trust the process, not the outcome. All right. Hey Siri, what's 40% of 1.92?
It's 0.768.
Hit yes, so we're still hands out of the computer. I mean, I've been having emotions right now, which is not good, man. Every time it's going down, I'm losing emotion. Every time it's going up, I'm having emotion, which is not great. But we gotta trust the process, and the setup will deliver. You know, we're gonna be process focused over outcome focused, just because that is what's playing in my mind right now, which is not great, man. But yeah, man, I'm doing good on, at least I'm doing all right on, taking some of the emotion right now, fucking it up. Controlling my emotions, I'm having some thoughts, but I'm controlling it. But yeah, the market's considering a range, you just hold it straight confidently and trust the process, right? That's what we gotta do. We're never gonna get anywhere if we don't follow our rules, man. This could completely go on a loss, but I'm very happy I've accepted the risks. It's just that emotions are playing, but I'm doing really nice on controlling it rather than, letting my emotions play and clicking buttons, right? Which is not great. Oh my goodness, I broke it. No way. touch. See how one candle pushed all the way down? Okay, let me see. Flash and loss into. Alright, let me partial close. Hey Siri, what's 40% of 1.92?
It's 0.76.
Yeah, it's not hit TP yet, so we're still all holding. Still has not to hit TP yet, so we're still are hands off out of the partials, hands out of the fucking what are the things called? Controls. Just alright, I have partial close profits. Now letting the runners run. So stop is at break even. Now gonna let the runners run. We cashed out some profit, which is great. Now just let the runners run. Now at break even, we are good. If it goes on a loss, it goes on a loss. If it goes on a win, it goes on a win. But here we're catching out of the 30%. Here we're catching out of the 30%. The last trade. But yeah, just emotions that are clicking in, which is not great. But I'm dealing good with it, right? I'm saying stuff in my head like, yo, the market's considering a range and just hold the trade confident, trust the process, right? That's what I'm saying, constantly in my brain, which is great, you know. We're controlling emotions rather than letting the emotions control us. I'm at break even, so the market doesn't go bump up back. We're chilling, we're at break even, so now it's basically runners gotta run or leave it on. Alright, we out of trade. Okay, this is my trade recap. Break even. So I made I think 1 RR on this trade. I don't care as long as I follow my rules. I follow my rules. Okay. Now let's do our recording. There's my 10/25 2024 market trade recap. Not market recap, trade recap. It was a 1% gain. I mean, not 1% gain. It's somewhere less than 1% gain because it's partials rather than actually taking off full position. Because we have to, there's gonna be times where runners gonna come. Sometimes gonna be times where runner gets short. There's a perfect example of where market just tapped it. It could run back up. Right, really good example. The point is to, not like the point is to just follow the rules, right? We followed everything that our market said. And by the way, they just Friday, so market saw